Hello. Did you know that clutter is not just the stuff on the floor? It's the stuff on every flat surface in your home. That's where clutter is attracted. It's attracted to flat surfaces. So if you think it's your countertops, it's your tables, it's your chair seats, it's the couch, it's the side tables, and the floor. And any other flat thing you can find, you're going to find clutter there if you are a highly cluttered home. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, start with your hidden areas. Even though all this stuff is everywhere, unless it's dirty clothes or trash, let's start with the hidden areas first so that we can make room for these things that we obviously use the most, love the most, and need the most, and have a place to keep them. So today, if you've made some room, then when you are taking off your sweater, when you are kicking off your shoes, when you are laying down your pencil, think about where it really belongs and go put it in that place. Always pick it up. Don't pass it up. Have a great day.